now followed by our first automation project. Automation is, of course, always a topic of discussion. For me, it is the next logical step into the future to process standard parts accurately and autonomously.
Autonom abzuarbeiten. Die Maschine dann zum ersten
Seeing the machine at Lacuna show for the first time was a really cool and also a bit of an emotional moment. And yes, it was quite impressive to see the robot arm moving the parts around. The training on the FEEDBOT went relatively quickly. It took 2 or 3 hours of instruction, a few exercises on robot handling, and then we were already up and running with the standard process.
los mit dem Standardprozess Auftrag ein.
We were able to work productively from day one. We're producing exactly as we wished for in terms of quality and process reliability, and we achieved a significant increase in capacity. HOMAG, your solution.